Sa kaka-consultation namin sa mga kabataan tsaka sa mga nursing student, we really pushed for it. 500 million pesos for RLE. We're doing our best sa education. Hindi pwedeng mawawala ka na lang bigla, mag-iba ka ng focus, kailangan tuloy-tuloy.
Especially yung parang RLE funds.
Are you a nursing student?
Yes po. I think we're the only, aside from Norsu, school dito sa Negros na nag-offer ng free nursing. Kahit ganun, parang mabigat pa rin talaga yung RLE fee. Kaya nung narinig namin na talagang napuntahan yung budget for 2026,
That's it.
maraming students po na yung
oo.
talagang masaya dahil sa budget. They know that the government supports their dreams. Parang ganun.
Yeah. So, pwede na siyang gamitin ng RLE. May separate fund pa si RLE. And then si RLE, hindi lang siya pang nursing. Lahat ng allied health can avail of that scholarship. That will support maybe 20,000 scholars. It's not everybody, pero at least yung pinaka nangangailangan, may mahahanap na tulong.